Oops. Where you at? It's pretty cool.
Cool.
No way.
I thought it was gonna pull up a little sooner than
I
that.
can't believe I pulled that one off. I thought it was stuck in the snow for sure. Ooh, check this out. See if we can get another flyby in. I want to try something. It's out of focus. Damn it. Another one.
Oh! Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Okay.
That was me. That was me. I thought that was totally me. I thought I lost it though.
These are terrible. Alright. Oh jeez. I hit a button so it went out of focus. Come on. Where is it? Oh no, there's that damn autofocus button again. I didn't hit it this time though.
Okay, I think she's slowing down a little bit.
Alright. Bring her in.
Damn it. It's trying to get a little closer. Cool! Fucking 4 feet in front of us.
I want to see how this worked out.